Hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel and welcome to this very short and very easy video. What we want to do today is we want to change the default IP address from one of these beautiful Ethernet switch. The brand is Cisco and the model is the SG300. So today the job is extremely simple. I already connected an Ethernet cable from my personal computer to the switch. You can use any one of the ports. What you need to do now is to use your web browser. And inside your web browser, you can use here the IP address that is the default IP address, 192.168.1.254, yeah? So when you do so, you will see this is the human machine interface. This is the HMI. And as you can see here, is requiring a username. The default username is Cisco in lower letters, and the password is the same, Cisco in lower letters. So what you need to do now is you are going here into this web, and this is the HMI. And now what you need to do is going to get in a starter and change the device IP address, okay? The plan here is that I will use 192.168.1.242. So this is simple. This is the new IP address. And now what I will do is apply. In this case, when we are applying, you can see over here that the switch is disconnected to the computer. And in this case, you can see over here in the browser that the new IP address is showed over there, 192.168.1.242. Now let me use the default account, Cisco here, and also the user is, the password is Cisco. And now we are going inside here, and you can see that the IP address is 192.168.1.242. So this is all for configuring this IP address in this beautiful SG300. And in this case, this is a small business Ethernet switch device, is Gigabit, and is a managed switch. Well, this is everything. This is all for this beautiful this is everything for this beautiful configuration, and I just want to tell you bye now.